Yeah, I got the thing. We got high tech around here now.
Into the pumpkin run. 2016.
I tell you what, this guy goes yeah, it's more than last. Oh yeah, it's more than last year. I think it helps. I've never seen this.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been confirmed we do have a winner. We say congratulations on the way back next year.
Yeah, we were running about 2650 there for several years. Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
except for we had bad weather for the last. Yeah, well, the weather, yeah, that's right. But you know what? This year, it's raining Friday, and there's 4 people here on the Friday. Still, I think people are still just a little weary of it. A lot of people getting older, and yeah, they we are getting older. I tell you what, there were a lot of people running. They wasn't. We didn't pick up that many of the later models. There's a few. There's a few. There's still yeah. I'm one of them. I got the 71 this year. When we did registration, I think we probably only had about on the pre-registered cars up through 2031. It might have been about 50 to 60 cars. Now after that, on open registration, I don't know what it is. Yeah. Well, it's 4 cars this year to max. Yeah. I've been waiting for them. I've been waiting for that to finally wake up and bring the 74 down, and they finally did it. And yeah, I'm sad. I was president for like the last 7 years, and a couple of times I've talked to her. Last time I finally talked to them. Yeah, but a lot of them now are, they don't have the same engine. No, they're not running. There was some dude running around in a Vega, 74 Vega wagon. That was good. With the blower? Yeah. Yeah, somebody. Yeah, it's 74. He built that thing in, he built that car in, I think, 78. Yeah, but I've never seen that. He's one of my better friends. Yeah, I like that one. He was parked over here earlier this weekend. I saw him over there. Me and the boy here, my son, I brought my boy here. I used to come down here with my older brother. He's gone now, but, I found him at this place with him. Well, I was over here with the car. They got me bringing him back to just got the food from them. That's when you get some cheap burgers now.
Yeah.
The hamburgers cheap. These are the motors they're giving away.
Like, oh, they gave away motors.
I think those are last. Maybe not. Have to have one of them motors.
Same here. I could put one in my Tempest. Uh-huh.
Interrupt just enough. I can't see none.
Yeah. Hope none of them got hit.
Nah.
Oh, there you are. There's the giveaway car.
Oh, that's the giveaway. That's the car they got.
Yeah.
Are they taking it home, do you know?
Yeah, we got trailers. Oh, do they? How much do they buy it back for?
I didn't know.
I think we said usually
I think Frank would buy it back. Yeah, somebody offered them a big deal. You're the winner? Yeah. Take a picture in front of the car?
Sure. Poor boys, I do, but go ahead.
Well, that's all right. You not go on. I mean, you're the winner. Come on, get in there. The others aren't here yet. That time we're going to get a new hot rod. This is good. I get forever.
Yeah, I'll live behind it.
Every year they take the money. Except for this year, they take the car. All right, thank you. Congratulations. We'll be taking pictures.
Yeah, we'll get a couple more to take. All that. Congratulations.
We want to get a picture with the manufacturer. Are you going to build the car? I can see my friend. I've never been. I mean, you're going to sound like you don't know yet. We get those pictures with her. We got 3 more brothers coming. We'll need to get information.
Hey, Dad, smile. GTO. Wow, man. Looks like I got my car in like its own little row.
Maybe it's coming by, man. Looks like we're going to be here for a while.
Yeah. Yep. Bye for now.